Hey guys, what's up? This is Manjeet here and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about Lail Maliki, the best perfume that I have smelled after Rasasi Hawa. Now I got this perfume about one day back, like yesterday I got it, so it's not even one day, 24 hours भी नहीं हुआ है अभी तक, and I am in love with this perfume. Now before anything else, I want to tell you guys that whenever you get a perfume, beforehand you have to smell it and see if you like that particular perfume, because this is heaven. This is really good. I really love it. Oh my god, this is just like, I can't even tell you. This is of no, like I have not seen any kind of dupes of this, and this is not a dupe of anything. This is the original perfume. So yeah, you have to get this one because it is one of the best ones, and it's just 1500 rupees. It's 1510 or 20 rupees, like that, and it is really different from what I expected. Now as it is blue, you can see that you will feel like might be like Blue de Chanel or something, but it's not at all a dupe of anything. It is one of the best ones that I have got till now, and I am so happy that finally something has arrived from Lataffa that doesn't have that oud wala, doesn't have that much of oud. So something that is doable, something that I can use in summer or in the morning time, because it's something which is not extremely party wear. This is a party wear, but still, you cannot you can just wear this in office also. You can wear this in the occasion also. It's perfect for it. And yeah, projection is really good. Talking about the projection, it will last you about 2 to 3 hours max heat. If it's like about 35 degrees out there, then it will last you about 2 to 3 hours. But there is a catch. Now on the skin it lasts too long, but in the in the garments, like in my clothes and everything, it lasts about maximum of 4 to 5 hours. Yeah, so it has to macerate. The first thing that I have to do is to macerate this perfume. Now I'll have to keep this perfume and not use it for almost 4 or 5 weeks, and then I'll have to come back to it and see if it has macerated perfectly. Now one more thing that I wanted to tell you guys is, do not get a perfume before testing it out. Please remember, perfumes are something that it just goes with your aura. Now if you are going to get a perfume just because you saw the video, doesn't make sense at all. Don't do that. Just go into the perfume store, test it out, then get it. If you don't get that particular, then get a 5 ml decant from anywhere and then just use it and see if you like it. I hope you guys like this video. Of course, share and subscribe, and of course I would love to see in the comment section what you are thinking about this perfume. If you have any questions, please ask me, because there is no more, like there's about 4 or 5 videos of Lail Maliki Moroccan blue. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.